Imagine you're standing at the edge of a busy city street early in the morning, bikes rushing past, buses sighing at every stop, small cars weaving through gaps like fish in traffic. Now picture a compact hatchback rolling by, not shouting for attention, not pretending to be something it's not, but quietly confident in its skin. That car is the Tata Tiago, and today we're going to unpack everything about it, from the way it looks and feels to how it drives, how it treats your wallet, and why it has become such a familiar name on the roads. The first thing the Tiago does is set expectations. It doesn't arrive with supercar drama or SUV aggression. Instead, it feels friendly, almost welcoming. The front design has evolved over time, becoming sharper and more modern. The grille carries Tata's familiar humanity line, stretching gently into the headlamps, giving the car a wide, planted look. The headlights themselves are swept back just enough to add character, and in higher trims, you get projector headlamps that make night driving calmer and clearer. From the side, the proportions are classic hatchback. Short overhangs, a tidy roof line, and strong shoulder lines that stop it from looking boxy. The wheels sit confidently within the arches, and depending on the variant, you get stylish wheel covers or alloy wheels that add a touch of flair without going overboard. At the rear, the black strip connecting the tail lamps gives the car visual width, and the sculpted bumper adds a bit of muscle to an otherwise compact shape. Overall, the Tiago looks mature for its size, like it has grown up faster than many of its rivals. Step inside, and the story continues in a surprisingly positive direction. For a car in this segment, the cabin feels thoughtfully put together. Tata has clearly focused on making the interior feel airy and practical. The dashboard layout is simple, with controls placed where you expect them to be. The two-tone theme adds visual interest, and the textures, while not luxury grade, feel solid and durable. There's a sense that this interior is built to survive daily life, spilled coffee, school bags, grocery runs, and long commutes. The steering wheel feels good in hand, with mounted controls that let you manage audio and calls without taking your eyes off the road. The seats are well cushioned, offering decent support for both short city drives and longer highway trips. Front passengers get enough legroom and headroom to feel comfortable, and while the rear seat is best suited for 2 adults, it can handle 3 on shorter journeys without too much complaint. Technology is another area where the Tiago punches above its weight. The infotainment system sits neatly in the center of the dashboard, offering touchscreen functionality with smartphone connectivity through Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in higher variants. The interface is straightforward, responsive enough for daily use, and doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary menus. Sound quality from the Harman-tuned audio system is one of the Tiago's quiet strengths. For a small hatchback, the audio clarity and bass response are genuinely impressive, making traffic jams feel a little less painful and long drives more enjoyable. You also get features like a digital instrument cluster that provides essential information clearly, steering-mounted controls, Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and in some variants, push-button start. These little conveniences add up, making the Tiago feel modern and user-friendly. Now let's talk about the heart of the car, the engine. The Tata Tiago is typically offered with a 1.2-liter petrol engine, and in some markets, also with a CNG option. The petrol engine is designed for balance rather than outright performance. It's not trying to win drag races, but it delivers power smoothly and predictably. In city driving, this engine feels at home. Throttle response is gentle, making stop-and-go traffic less jerky, and the car pulls cleanly from low speeds without requiring constant gear changes. On the highway, the Tiago cruises comfortably at legal speeds, with enough power on tap for overtakes if you plan them sensibly. The engine note stays relatively refined, and vibrations are well controlled for this segment. Transmission options add to the Tiago's versatility. The manual gearbox is light and easy to use, perfect for new drivers or anyone who spends a lot of time in traffic. The clutch is forgiving, and gear shifts are smooth, making daily driving stress-free. For those who prefer convenience, Tata offers an automated manual transmission. While it doesn't have the seamless feel of a traditional automatic or a CVT, it does its job well in city conditions. You learn to drive it with a bit of anticipation, easing off the throttle during gear changes, and once you adapt, it becomes a comfortable companion for urban life. Fuel efficiency is one of the biggest reasons people look at cars like the Tiago, and here it delivers solid results. The petrol version offers respectable mileage, making it affordable to run on a daily basis. The CNG variant takes this a step further, appealing to buyers who want to minimize fuel costs without stepping into the world of electric vehicles just yet. The CNG setup is well integrated, maintaining decent boot space and preserving the car's drivability. It's a practical choice for high-mileage users like office commuters, rideshare drivers, or small families looking to keep monthly expenses under control. Ride and handling is an area where the Tiago really stands out. Tata has tuned the suspension to handle rough roads with confidence, and this is immediately noticeable. Speed breakers, potholes, and uneven surfaces are absorbed with a sense of calm that many rivals struggle to match. The car feels planted, even when the road surface isn't perfect. On highways, the Tiago maintains good stability, inspiring confidence at higher speeds. Steering is light enough for city use, making tight turns and parking easy, but it also weighs up reasonably well as speed increases, giving the driver a reassuring sense of control. This balance between comfort and stability makes the Tiago a versatile car for both urban and intercity driving. Safety is one of the Tiago's strongest talking points. Tata has built a reputation for prioritizing safety, and the Tiago benefits from this philosophy. The car is built on a strong structure and has performed well in crash tests, earning commendable safety ratings. Standard safety features typically include dual airbags, ABS with EBD, corner stability control, rear parking sensors, and seatbelt reminders. Higher variants add features like a rear-view camera, further enhancing everyday safety. This focus on protection gives buyers peace of mind, especially families and first-time car owners who want reassurance without stepping into a much higher price bracket. Practicality is woven into every aspect of the Tiago. Storage spaces are thoughtfully placed, with door pockets, cup holders, a glove box that can actually hold useful items, and small trays for phones and wallets. The boot offers enough space for daily needs, groceries, backpacks, or a weekend bag. Fold the rear seats, and you unlock even more room for larger items. Visibility from the driver's seat is good, thanks to a well-positioned seating height and large windows, making city driving and parking less stressful. Ownership experience is another reason why the Tiago has built a loyal following. Tata's service network has expanded significantly, and maintenance costs are generally reasonable. Spare parts are widely available, and the car's mechanical simplicity contributes to long-term reliability. Warranty options and service packages further sweeten the deal, making the Tiago an easy car to live with over the years. For many buyers, especially in budget-conscious markets, this peace of mind is just as important as features or performance. What really makes the Tata Tiago special is how it balances everything. It doesn't excel in just one area while ignoring the rest. Instead, it offers a well-rounded package. It looks good without being flashy, feels comfortable without being soft, offers technology without complexity, and prioritizes safety without inflating the price. It's a car that understands its audience: students buying their first car, young professionals commuting daily, small families needing a reliable runabout, or even older drivers looking for something easy and dependable. Over time, the Tiago has also benefited from updates and refinements. Tata has listened to feedback, improving build quality, adding features, and refining the driving experience. This sense of evolution keeps the car relevant in a highly competitive segment, where new models and facelifts appear regularly. Yet, despite the competition, the Tiago holds its ground, largely because it delivers what most people actually need, rather than chasing trends that look good on paper but don't matter in daily life. If you zoom out and look at the bigger picture, the Tata Tiago represents a shift in how small cars are perceived. It proves that an entry-level hatchback doesn't have to feel cheap or compromised. It can be safe, comfortable, efficient, and even enjoyable to drive. It can have personality without excess and strength without bulk. For many owners, the Tiago isn't just a car, it's their first step into independence, their daily partner in routine and adventure alike. So when you see a Tata Tiago on the road, remember that behind its compact shape lies a carefully thought-out machine, one that blends practicality with confidence, affordability with safety, and simplicity with modern touches. It's not trying to be the loudest voice in the room. Instead, it's the calm, reliable presence that shows up every day, starts without fuss, and gets you where you need to go, comfortably, safely, and without draining your wallet. And in the real world, that kind of reliability is a quiet superpower. And if you enjoy honest, real-world car reviews that go beyond spec sheets and marketing noise, make sure to subscribe to VXN Cars. Hit the like button if this video helped you. Drop a comment with your thoughts on the Tata Tiago, or tell us which car you want to see next, and share this video with anyone looking for a practical, reliable daily driver. For clear, unbiased automotive content and real driving stories, you're watching VXN Cars. See you in the next video.